We begin this tour in the Great Room. A towering wall of glass rises at the rear of the home, greeting guests the moment they enter and filling the space with daylight. Glass defines the feature wall and continues onto the sides, so the wooded landscape and water beyond remain part of the view. Anchoring the room is a massive fireplace, its chase stretching more than 13 feet wide and 18 feet tall. Varying depths add richness and dimension, while the scale feels perfectly matched to the volume of the room. Large hand-hewn timbers stand in contrast to smooth wall surfaces and stonework, while lowered window lines keep sight lines open, an approach Golden Eagle is known for in their mountain and lakefront designs. Despite the immense scale, the palette feels natural and welcoming. Rich timbers, solid stone, and layered lighting that shifts the atmosphere from day into evening. From here, the flow carries seamlessly into the kitchen. This is a kitchen built for hosting at scale, yet designed to work efficiently every day. At the center is a 16.5-foot island with seating for 7 and a large integrated sink. Matching refrigerators flank the work zone for symmetry and storage, while a 48-inch Wolf gas cooktop anchors the cooking area. Frameless cabinetry keeps the look modern and practical, paired with LED under-cabinet lighting for a bright, functional workspace. Every detail has been planned to avoid pinch points, so even with a full house, the flow remains effortless. The kitchen connects directly to the dining room, creating a natural extension for entertaining. The dining room is enclosed by massive folding glass doors. Closed, they create a quiet and intimate space. Open, they connect the room fully to the outdoors. A second set of doors holds a retractable screen, so the entire room can open wide while still capturing a steady cross breeze. Overhead, a brick-patterned barrel vault shapes the ceiling with bold character.